Hello everyone, it's me, NYSE Einstein, the Einstein of Wall Street from the Florida New York Stock Exchange, Jan 7th, first week of 2020. And the markets still really haven't gotten their footing yet. We are not selling off in any kind of a big way, though there is a lot of red on the screen, right? Let's make a recap of the day, Jan 7th. 2020. We are down 120 points on the Dow, down 5 small points on the Russell, down 10 handles on the S&P. We're getting a little retracement in oil because we're just trying to price in a lot of unknowns of what's going to happen when, and in fact, Iran does attack, and when, in fact, we go into a full-scale altercation with the Middle East. All that being said, a little rally in gold, flight to safety. VIX are sort of flat-ish, more red on the screen than not. So we came in the day in the red. You know, look, we're it's like a hurry up and wait type situation. So obviously there's going to be some retaliation. Obviously whatever we've done, the wild card coming out of our administration is questionable. There are a lot of questions, a lot of unknowns. Obviously, in my opinion, we're clueless as far as international affairs go coming out of this house. But all that being said, net, I don't think the market engages it in a big way because there's a lot of anxiety, a lot of unknowns, yet the market does not sell off. Taking into account all the red I've described to you on a light volume day, we are still at 28.5 in the Dow, 32.35 in the S&P. The Russell is reasonable. The transports were up, obviously with the retracement in oil. And oil is is trading off the range. Almost $70 in the Brent, 62.69 on the WTI. So all that being said is we are sort of a hurry up and wait situation. Let's see what the next step is internationally. Let's note geopolitical events historically since Pearl Harbor have not had anything greater than a 5% effect negatively or positively, with a retracement back to even within 47 days since Pearl Harbor. So I often say politics has no bearing on markets, and I once again reiterate that point. So let's wait, let's trade it a day at a time. If you're a trader, be nimble. If you're an investor, just don't look and stick with it. I am the Einstein of Wall Street from the Florida New York Stock Exchange, inside Berghoff. I'll see you tomorrow.